Okay, so it's Christmas and I'm going to open up my parcel from SplatterGirl. Yeah, I'm so red because I've just been cooking all day and I'm absolutely boiling hot. But yeah, I'm literally couldn't be any more excited. I can't believe how red I am. Okay, so Ayin and I have been meaning to do a trade for absolutely ages, and definitely my fault because I never get around to doing anything, but we have finally traded. And I sent my half off a while ago, and then I got this one back. I say a while ago, like literally maybe like a couple of days before I got this. But then because it was so close to Christmas, I thought I'd just wait for Christmas because Christmas this year is not the best. Pandemic, and this could brighten up my 2020 Christmas. Ooh, so it's absolutely beautifully wrapped. I'm already feeling bad because I literally put like my half in a bag and then I wasn't feeling very well, so I was like to my boyfriend, please just post this, I don't feel well. And he was like, what do I do? And I was like, just bring it to the post office. It wasn't COVID, I had like a tummy bug. Oh my god, this ribbon is so cute. Okay, I don't know why I'm opening it so much off camera. So there's a lovely big card. What is it? Oh, very cute. Ooh, it's a big kind of photo card. I'm like really excited. I don't think I felt this Christmassy in so long, just because like, you know, like when you get presents as a grown-up, you're like, oh, this is so nice and thoughtful. This is exactly like something I would use. But like when you're a kid, you're like, you have no idea what it's going to be. And so Aina said to me, did I want any progress photos? And I was like, no, I want it to be a surprise. And she was like, what kind of thing do you like? And I was like, I like literally all of your work. So please just surprise me. So I literally feel like a kid on Christmas Day. Oh, another little card. Very cute. Oh, actually, is this a sticker? I think this might be a sticker. Okay, I'm going to stick this on something. I'm so excited. I literally sent her a cinnamon girl. And I know she sculpted the face, so it probably won't be cinnamon girl skin tone. But, oh my god, it's in a little bag as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you can see all of this, but it's in a bag with loads of buttons. Okay, I'll do the buttons first. It's quite American phrasing of me there. Badges. This is so true. What dolly budget? Every time I think I'm being good, I just end up buying a whole bunch. Oh, she says it's okay if we don't like her, but we definitely like her. Oh my god, this is so cute. Very 2020. These are absolutely lovely. Look at this. She's even given her a little outfit. She's got a big denim jacket on and look at these shoes. I'm just like, I'm so quiet because I'm just in awe. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she looks so moody. Got some black eyes. Oh. And some blue ones. Oh, I love the blue ones. Oh, and some brown ones. Ooh. I'm so bad at changing eyes. I don't have any dolls with sleepy eyes, really, because I get so confused. So she's got brown forward facing. She's got some black forward facing, some blue side facing, and another pair of brown side facing ones. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And look, she's got cute little eyes on. Look at that pout. Look how pouty she is. And I love the cinnamon girl hair. Like so I know like loads of Ayin's dolls are like really like fantasy hair. and I love them. I love looking at them. But in my dolly cabinet, like, everyone has normal hair, so then when I have one with fun hair, I always stare at it and I'm like, oh, is it too fun? Is it too fun? So I've got one fantasy haired doll, which is my K-Doll's Heaven, and then I've got like Rouge Noir is as close to fantasy as I get. And if you don't know what Rouge Noir is, it's like an EBL with very similar hair to this, actually, maybe like a tiny bit shorter, but in like bright red. I've just popped a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of like girl doing art degree red hair, and that's as fantasy as my cabinet gets. So she's just so cute. I'm so excited. I hope that was interesting, and also it's worth noting that Ayin is SplattergirlUK's name. If you're wondering why I said Ayin so much, that's why. And there's links to more of her work in the description box.